Do you wish to supplement your income this year by working from home? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you to do just that. In this video, I'll show you how to use the greatest website to earn real PayPal money. In fact, if you stick with me all the way to the finish, you may have the opportunity to earn $500 in PayPal money right now. Now, this is the platform that we'll discuss later. It's called Paydara, and we'll be using this website to make money online today. Now, some of you may be familiar with this website, but don't worry if you aren't, because we'll go over it in detail later. This strategy is accessible from any place on the planet, and it's a terrific way of boosting your money online. So stick with me as I walk you through this guide if you want to be the next one in line to make some money. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in PayPal to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to know the exact approach. Now here are the winners for the previous $50 giveaways. Congratulations! You just won for viewing all of my videos and entering unique codes. You can be the next one to win if you follow all the steps to enter the giveaways. Now, just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. To begin right away, I want you to go to this website, which is once again called Paydara, and you may find it at paydara.com. This is a website where you can get compensated for doing multiple activities. As you can see right here, you can use this strategy with any device, and you can even do it with just your phone. Now, I'd like you to scroll down to see why this is the best website to use for making additional money online. As you can see below, they have an endless number of activities accomplished each day, which means there is no limit to how much money you can earn each day. They also have a referral program that pays you extra money for referring your friends to the website. Furthermore, as previously said, they offer quick payments that are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Check out the website's payment proofs to back up their claim that they provide instant payouts. As you can see, people from South Africa, Sri Lanka, India, and a variety of other countries have received their funds and provided feedback on the website. Take a good look at the payment history we're here as well. The amount, status, and date of the payments are all visible. This proof guarantees that you will be paid legally right here. Returning to their homepage, you can see that they have demonstrated their size of over 930,000 members, over 7.87 million tasks completed, and have sent out over 1.5 million payments to all of their members. You can now read about the various ways to make money on this platform if you scroll up. You can, for instance, complete sign-up tasks. You can also participate in surveys, which are plenty on this site, or post videos, which pay even more. Again, you can also invite your friends, or you can write about Paydara, such as posting a review. And Paydara pays you for doing those. Finally, because this website is all-in-one, all of your earnings are available in one location. However, you need to be concerned about how to complete the aforementioned chores, since I will show you great examples later in the video, so stay tuned. Right now, I'd like you to sign up for a free account on this website so that you can start making money online. To do so, go to the upper right corner of your screen and select the Create an Account button. After that, you'll be directed to this page, where you'll be required to enter some personal information. So, provide your first and last names, username, email address, and password in the boxes provided. To finish the process, click the Sign Up button. It's time to log into your account now that you've completed the sign-up process. This is now your own dashboard, and this is where you can see all of your app revenue as well as all of the available activities. As you can see, my earnings are currently at this level after finishing one task, but they will skyrocket if I complete all of their activities. Now, on the left side of your dashboard, you can view all of the different activities that you may do to earn money. As you can see, all of this are things I mentioned earlier. And as I stated right here, you can do video tutorials and submit videos, complete some micro tasks, do some common and major tasks that work with some major companies, complete surveys and quizzes, write online reviews and promotional, and have referrals to invite your friends to join this website. As an example, suppose you go to the task category and select Offer Toru. After that, you'll be able to see all of the different tasks and offers available to you. You may now filter activities based on whether they are available on your phone or desktop at the top. You may pick and choose among the activities available on your phone, especially if your only device for earning money online. You can now see how much money you could make on each in this category. As you can see, doing this activity can genuinely make this much money. Now, I want to share with you a crucial tip, and that is, this website will give you double the amount of money you make if you finish 10 jobs in a row each day, which is fantastic, right? That's exactly how individuals all throughout the world make $30 again and over. You may be the next one, and you can have the potential to earn $500 or maybe more right now if you do it consistently. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to enter to win $50, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Let's get back on track again, shall we? As I previously stated, completing 10 jobs in a row would allow you to double your profits. So, how do you go about doing that? We've already gone over all of the different activities on your dashboard, and you can complete them all. Take surveys, for example, because they are relatively simple to do. Check out the surveys area of your dashboard for further information. You'll then be directed to this website, where you can browse all of the available surveys. As you can see, completing a simple survey can earn you 90 cents, 66 cents, 54 cents, and more. Now, all you have to do is complete 10 surveys in a row to double your money. So if you've amassed $15, you'll earn $30 that instant. After you've completed the majority of the surveys in the survey category, you can also return to your main dashboard. You can scroll down from there to discover the additional tasks that you can complete to maximize your personal results. You can see the best deals right here, as well as all the tasks and surveys that are available to complete. If you followed me all the way here, make sure you follow all of my tips and tricks so that you'll be the person who earns the most. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word online activities. Once again, enter the code word online activities, and you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words in other videos on our channel. So be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.